Would you like to know how to improve germination? A few years ago, I discovered a game changer. I would like to share with you what I have learned about using a heat mat and a humidity dome with the GreenStalk seed starter. Now, it's not absolutely necessary that you use a heat mat and humidity dome. Your plants can grow successfully without them. But for me, I found it very helpful. So when we got our seed starter kits, I wanted to do some research. I tested one tray on a heat mat with and without a dome, and I tested another tray not on a heat mat but with and without a dome. Overall, the heat mat and the dome helped with stronger plants in the long run, faster germination, a more even germination, and a higher rate of germination. What I learned was that the dome increased the temperature about 3 degrees whether it was on the heat mat or not. But the humidity shot up to 99% every time. The heat mat actually increased the temperature between 6 to 8 degrees for the planter. I think one thing that was important is to have water in the bottom of the tray to help disperse the heat up through the cells. So I used these mini hygrometers and I placed them on the center of each 6-cell tray. And under here, I had it as well under the dome. I also used a laser temperature gauge to come behind myself and check this. So the differences, although it didn't always read exactly to the exact degree the same, the differences were. So I do feel like the heat mat helps raise the temperature enough that the seeds will germinate faster and stronger. When we developed our seed starter kit, we quickly knew that we needed to come up with some kind of a dome. And this is what we came up with. It works perfectly for each little tray and it snaps right into place so it'll stay in place. Both the heat mat and the dome are available on our website now. If you have any seed starting questions, feel free to reach out. We'll be happy to help. Happy gardening.